Welcome dear children. Today we are going to see second chapter, that is Vyasane Mitra Pariksha. This chapter has been extracted from Hitopadesh. In this particular book you will see the moral has been given through the stories of birds and animals. Here see the title, Vyasane Mitra Pariksha. The first word is Vyasane. The noun over here is Vyasana, which means difficult times, and Vyasane is Saptami Vibhakti, which means in the difficult times. Mitra Pariksha, Mitra means Surud, Sakha, that means a friend, and Pariksha means examined. It is a Shashti Tatpurush Samas, Mitrasya Pariksha. That means a friend is actually examined or tested during the time of calamity. Now let us see the story here. Asti ekam champakam nama aranyam. Now here you can see the first word is a verb. Asti. This is the kriya pad. Of which lakar? It is of lat lakar, that is present tense. So when the sentence begins with verb in lat lakar, that is present tense, the meaning actually becomes of past tense. Ekam champakam nama aranyam. Ekam means one. Champaka is the name of aranyam, that is vanam, that means forest. So there was a forest named as Champaka. Hope all of you are ready with your notebooks along with a pencil, so that whatever I tell you, keep writing the things immediately when I tell. Here Champakam and Aranyam, these two words are interrelated. Champakam is the adjective of word Aranyam. So there was a forest named as Champaka. Aranye Chitrangah नाम मृगः एकाक्षो नाम काकः च स्नेहेन निवसतः स्म. Aranye, again it is Saptami, just as that of Vyasane, that means in the forest. Chitrango nama has got two words actually, Chitrangah plus nam. It is a sandhi observed over here. Chitranga was the name of Mrugah, that is a deer. So the deer name was Chitranga. And Ekaksha and Nama has got again two words, Ekaksha plus Nama. Kakah plus Cha. Kakah means crow. What was the name of the Kakah? Crow, that is Ekaksha. Snehena, with affection, that means very affectionately. Nivasatah sma. Here again you will find Nivasatah is in lat lakar and sma is written after that, means together the meaning becomes past tense. So in that forest there used to live a deer named as Chitranga and a crow named as Ekaksha very affectionately. Ekada Chitrangah vane brahman kenapi shrugalena avalokitah. Ekada, once. Vane brahman. Vane is again Saptami, as you have seen for Aranye, Vyasane, Vane. All these are nouns, nama in Saptami Vibhakti. Brahman is Dhatu Sadhit Visheshan. It is used in present continuous tense, means while roaming. Brahma means to roam around. Brahman is present continuous, so while roaming. Where? Vane, in the forest. Once Chitranga was roaming in the forest. At that time, Kenapi again has got two words, Kena plus Api, means by a certain. Shrugalena, by the jackal. Shrugala means jackal. Shrugalena is Trutiya Vibhakti, it is a noun. Avalokitah was observed. Avalokitah is Dhatu Sadhit Visheshan. Note it down. It is a Dhatu Sadhit Visheshan. So once when Chitranga was roaming in the forest, he was observed by a certain jackal. क्षुद्र बुद्धि नाम सह श्रुगालः स्वार्थ हेतुना मृगेण सह मित्रताम ऐच्छत्. क्षुद्र बुद्धि नाम सह श्रुगालः. Sah is the sarvanam pronoun used for Shrugala, that is the jackal. That jackal named as क्षुद्र बुद्धि. Kshudra buddhi is bahuvrihi samas. Kshudra buddhi yasya, so having very cunning wisdom, cunning intention. So that was the name of that Shrugal. Kshudra buddhi. Swartha hetuna, by some selfish intention. Mrugena saha, with the mruga, that is the deer. With the deer. Mitrata, friendship, and Aichat is Kriyapad of past tense. So that Kshudra Buddhi named jackal wanted to have friendship with the deer by some bad purpose, by some selfish intention. Swartha hetuna. He wanted to be friend with the deer. Astangate savitari Kshudra Buddhi mrugena sah mrugasya nivasasthanam gatah. Astangate savitari, it is a absolute locative formation of sentence, means savitari. Here the noun is savitru, which means sun. Astangate means was set. When the sun was set, that means in the evening. Kshudra buddhi mrugena saha, mrugasya nivasasthanam. Nivasasthanam, place of living place, home. Gataha, went. Again here gataha is dhatu sadhit visheshan. When the sun set, at that time Kshudra buddhi went to the house of the deer along with the deer. Mrugena saha. Now here you can see saha is an indeclinable which governs with trutiya, and therefore mrugena, this word you will find written in trutiya. Mrugasya nivasasthanam gatah. Hope you have noted down. Gatah is a dhatu sadhit visheshan. मृगशृगालौ दृष्ट्वा काकः अवदत्. मृगशृगालौ दृष्ट्वा, दृष्ट्वा is त्वान्तव्यय, seeing. To whom? Mruga and Shrugala. It is a iterator dvandva samas. Mrugashrugalau, this word is an example of iterator dvandva samas. Mrugah cha Shrugalah cha, that means the deer and the jackal. Drishtva, seeing. Seeing these two coming together, Kako Avadat has got two words combined, Kakah plus Avadat. The crow said, when crow saw both of them coming together, the crow said, Sakhe Chitranga, Kaha Ayam Dvitiyah. Sakhe Chitranga, O friend Chitranga. Koyam has got again two words, Kaha plus Ayam. Who is this? Ayam is a pronoun. Kaha plus Ayam. Kaha is also a pronoun. Ayam is also a pronoun, that is Sarvanam. Dvitiyaha means the other one. Dvitiya also means the second, but here you have to take the meaning as who is the other one. Mrugaha Abruta, the deer said. Abruta is a past tense verb, Kriyapad, which I am going to explain you later on. See, it is given in some different ink so that you have to remember. The deer said, Jambukaha ayam. Jambukoyam has got two words, Jambukaha plus ayam. Jambukaha is the synonymous word for Shrugalaha. Shrugalaha, Jambukaha both means a jackal. Asmat Sakhyam Ichchati. Sakhyam, friendship. He wants to be friend with us. This is a jackal and he wants to be friend with us. Kakaha Upadishat. Upadishat is a Kriyapad of past tense. Kakaha, that is the crow, advised. Akasmat Agantuna Saha Mitrata Na Yukta. Akasmat Agantuna is a single word which is a combination of two words, that is Akasmata Halanta plus Agantuna. Akasmat means suddenly. Agantuna means one who has come suddenly in your life. Mitrata na yukta. Mitrata, friendship with a person who is unknown to us, who has suddenly come in our life. Friendship with that person is not proper. Na yukta. Again, yukta is a dhatu sadhit visheshan. So this much we have seen. We'll see the next part.